Good morning, friends. Today is the 2nd of February, and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting you the morning market update. Well, friends, too many things has happened in the markets. The union budget, which has been fairly decent budget based on the key announcements. Secondly, FOMC meet, where the US Central Bank announced a 25 basis point hike to the benchmark lending rate at the end of its two-day policy meeting, taking the rate to a target range of 4.5 to 4.75%. And thirdly, yes, Adani announcement of withdrawing back the FPO and returning back the money to the investors. Internationally, the US indices have ended in a positive note after a volatile session where we see a decent breakout on the Nasdaq and S&P 500. However, Dow Jones faces resistance at 34,400, which it is yet to cross. Well, what's next for our Indian markets? We had a super volatile session in our Indian markets, and I hope you all attended our live budget decoded session where the experts constantly kept you on the right side of the markets. Nifty ended 45 points lower to close at 17,616. The intraday range of the index was over 600 points, and we have an outside bar on the daily charts. That means lower low and a higher high. Technically, the index has still not closed below the 200 exponential moving average, whereas overall the trend of the markets based on Dow theory and short-term moving averages is still down. The momentum indicators do not indicate any signs of bottom out yet. Looking at the overall scenario, we expect the markets to stay within yesterday's budget range for the next couple of days, and 17,350 to 17,970 is that range. 17,300 remains an important support level on the charts, whereas 18,000 to act as resistance. Historically also, if we study, the budget day range on the markets have been very important, and the break of this range has decided the trend ahead going further. The break of the index on either side will further give momentum and trend. The IT index on the sector front remains the top strong sector currently. However, yesterday we have seen many stock-specific positive and negative actions. Next few days is more about individual stocks rather than the broader markets. You can stay tuned on the StockEdge social platform to get stock ideas by experts. Levels for the day. Nifty support will be seen at 17,350 and 17,300. Resistance 17,670 and 17,970. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 39,500 and 39,200. Resistance 41,000 and 42,000. Thank you and have a great day.